and welcome to the Jamaica Tourist Board webinar mini-series. These webinars are created to give information on specific holiday themes and travel niches. My name is Torrance Lewis. Let's begin. This mini-webinar covers birdwatching in Jamaica. Let's go. Birders visiting the island can see over 180 different species. Most of them will be migratory birds, visiting the island to get away from the winter in North America and South America. Our birding visitors will find getting there that bit easier. There are direct services from London, Birmingham and Manchester. So where is Jamaica? Jamaica is located in the Northern Caribbean, surrounded by the Caribbean Sea. Our nearest neighbours are the islands of Cuba, Hispaniola and the Cayman Islands. Here are some key birding facts about Jamaica. The island boasts 28 endemic species. The second smallest hummingbird in the world is found only in Jamaica. Birders will be able to see finches, parrots, crows, hummingbirds, and a variety of sea and water birds. Getting around the island is easy, and there's great accommodation and very good guides to make your birding experience memorable. So where are the best sites for birding on the island? The map shows you the dark green areas are the main areas for the best bird watching, but you will be able to see birds all across the island. For this webinar, we're going to focus on the resort of Port Antonio and the areas of Kingston and the south coast. So what's birding in Jamaica like? Well, most of it is off the beaten track. In the hilly interior, up in the rainforest, or in the forest canopy, and is done either with a guide or with local birding groups. Here are the 28 endemic species of bird listed. It's here as a reference, so I'm not going to go into detail about each and every one, but I'm going to show you some of our colourful local birds and endemic species. This shows you the 28 endemics of the island. Most birders will have their own field guides and will bring them with them to the island to assist them in identifying the local birds. But this chart is often given out by birding tour guides so people can identify the birds that they're seeing. So, let's start. This is the streamer-tailed hummingbird, also known as a doctor bird, and is a national bird of Jamaica, one of our 3 hummingbirds on the island. The second is the vervain hummingbird, the second smallest hummingbird in the world. And last but not least is the mango hummingbird. All 3 are found in many urban gardens and in the rainforest. We have 2 cuckoos, the chestnut-bellied cuckoo and the lizard cuckoo, both often heard before they're seen. And then the beautiful Jamaican oriole, often found eating fruit in farmlands. And the banana quit, a regular visitor to Jamaican gardens. And last but not least of our garden birds, the Jamaican toady. The Jamaican parrot, the yellow-billed parrot, is one of the 2 endemic parrot species, the other being the Jamaican black-billed parrot, which is slightly smaller and less easy to see across the island. The yellow bill is the more popular, and the more populous of the two. The brown pelican, one of our seabirds, and the Caribbean whistling duck, found in most of Jamaica's wetland areas. Our night birds. Jamaica has an endemic owl called the Jamaican owl, and is often found in the forested areas of the island. So, let's talk about the resort areas where birders can choose to base themselves to get the best out of the birdwatching locations. Let's start with Port Antonio. Let's go. Port Antonio has something for everyone. It's great for hiking and bird watching, and great for eco and nature lovers. It's also the gateway to the Blue and John Crow Mountains National Park. If you're traveling with other people who aren't birders, there's also the beautiful Rio Grande where you can go rafting. But the Blue Mountains are the main location for bird watching, and they're majestic and stunning and provide the perfect backdrop for an amazing birdwatching experience. And this is what rafting on the Rio Grande looks like. It's a immersive, natural experience that takes about 3 hours to bring you down on a bamboo raft, and is really an amazing experience. So let's look at Kingston, the capital of Jamaica. Let's go. There's something here for everyone as well. It's great for reggae lovers and culture seekers, great for foodies and coffee enthusiasts. There's several historical locations in Kingston, such as Port Royal, and if you're into sport and you ever wanted to meet that guy Usain Bolt, Kingston the place it's most likely to happen. The Blue Mountains again, on its leeward side, are where you access the bird watching from Kingston, and you can combine it with a visit to a coffee plantation. Jamaica does have the best coffee in the world. So let's go to the south coast. Here again, there's something for everyone, not just the birders. There's great farm to table experiences, great for culture seekers. The Appleton Rum Factory tour is on the south coast, and great for eco adventurers. The Black River Swamp Safari gives you an opportunity to see wildlife as well as birds as you go up this amazing river. And a great choice for small accommodations. The south coast is full of moms and pops locations, B&Bs, and a great place to experience community tourism. This is the Black River Swamp Safari, where you get to see a lot of the wetland birds as well as the friendly Jamaican crocodiles. So, that's a little bit about birdwatching in Jamaica. Here are some key resources. In the UK, Mott Tours, BirdQuest, and Wild Wings provide tours from the UK to Jamaica intermittently. Look for them on the internet and see what they're doing for 2020 and 2021 to Jamaica, and you might be able to put together a tour or a package or information for one of your clients. Locally, Arrowhead Birding Tours is the name of a company that can provide private client tours for individual birders who are visiting the island and may not be part of a tour. And two hotels to mention are the Forest Park Hotel up on the southern side of the Blue Mountains, and the Mockingbird Hill Hotel, which is on the northern side of the Blue Mountains, which are two popular hotels for birders. For more information about birdwatching, you can also go to visitjamaica.com. Just remember, for all of our travel agent friends, the Jamaica Rewards program is there to help you to become a Jamaica travel specialist. Sign up on Jamaica Rewards, learn and earn. We give rewards for every booking made, and it gives you a chance to earn a place on a Jamaica fam trip. These trips are known as Sell It and See It. It will also give you the chance to get more information from our quarterly newsletter, and we're very, very pleased to be able to say for our agents in Ireland, we now do Euro rewards as well.